Hey guys, today we're doing the unboxing of YOGI BEAR Blu-ray 3D, just released today, March 22nd, and as you can see comes with a 3D hologram slipcover, pretty cool. And here is the movie. All the 3D movies comes with a different case. It's printed 3D. And here's the back cover. So let's open this one and let me show you the case inside. Oh, this one came loose. So here we have the code for the digital. This one is the Blu-ray regular edition 2D. This one is the 3D. And here it is the DVD and digital copy. So here we have 3 discs. But remember, this disc is a DVD and digital copy. That's why it says combo disc. So once you download your digital copy to your iPad, iPhone, do not throw this away because it is also a DVD. Not much of a design. I was expecting a pretty cool design of YOGI BEAR. Nothing. But very plain. There are no flyers inside letting us know the future releases, just the code for the digital copy. By the way, I just finished watching the movie minutes ago and it is fantastic. The picture and audio is really good, so I'm going to give you 5 stars or 10 stars, whatever you want to call it, for audio and video. The transfer is phenomenal. Special features, I'm going to be posting right now what it has in the disc. But audio wise, it has English, HD, Master Audio 5.1 of course, and DTS, and also French, Spanish, Korean, and Portuguese. Another thing that I should mention is YOGI BEAR 2D and 3D, they both have special features, but the good thing is the special features on the 2D, it's all in high definition, all of them. And the special features in the 3D, it's all in 3D. That's pretty awesome. I haven't seen this before. I think it's the first time, and hopefully they're gonna be doing this from now on. That's a big plus. By the way, it is also region free. So thanks again guys for watching my videos, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.